Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you some awesome swivel chairs that I bought online. If you're going to check these out or want more information on them, I'll leave the link down in the description below for it, as well as the center table I have right over here. That's kind of an end table where you can put drinks or like a cell phone. But I love these chairs because I've been wanting to film this space for a while. So before there was no chairs right here, and I'll overlay a picture of it so you can see I was kind of empty and I needed more seating over here besides that little love seat over there. But just want to show you a quick overview of these chairs. So they're not too big or too small in my opinion, and they're way cheaper than Ashley Furniture Store or Rooms to Go. But they also come with the pillows and a swivel around 360. So I'll spin it around here for you. But the build quality is amazing. I think it said it was made in Vietnam. And you can see the bolstering is really nice here. Has a nice little elegant design. Comes around here. And the cushion is not too firm or too soft. Like this other couch I have over here, you can see that it sinks down really easy. And this seat right here doesn't actually come off at all. This is a fixed kind of cushion. You can't remove it. The only thing you can remove on here is just this pillow, which has a zipper on it too. But also, this option, it's kind of weird. So they have a white, a gray, and a dark gray. This is actually the gray option. So I'm actually doing this video too so you can get a better detail of what the color actually looks like, because this is more of a very, very light gray. This was the gray option. So you can see how it has some light gray in there with some white. So this was actually a set that I bought. So you can buy two of them for the price of like one Ashley Furniture Store or Rooms to Go chair. So I'll also lay it down on the floor so you can see the bottom of it. So again, this base right here is upholstered with the same finish as the rest of the chair, and it has these little feet on the bottom. What I liked about the chair the most is the fact that it already comes fully assembled. So the boxes are huge when you order this thing, and all you have to do is just take out the box and no assembly required. So, and I also complimented this little area here with a little end table. So this is really nice. If you want to check this out, also I'll leave it down in the description below this video. I think it comes in this kind of dark brown, and there's also a black. But yeah, so they're very comfortable, spin around 360. So you can move this thing around however you'd like. And like I said, really nice, comfortable material and great back support here. So if you want more information on the specs of it as far as the height and everything, that will also be in the link in the description below this video. So if you have any other questions for me, just comment below, but please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you for watching. So I'll just quickly pan around so you can just get a nice little overview of how it looks. So this is from the front, and this is the side view right here. And then this is kind of a top view from behind. And this is the rear view of it. Go. And the other side.